What up, 1G, the baddest motherfucker they could be. Yeah. Working on a 1961 Chevy truck. And I just found out that these fucking trucks came with no seat belts. There was no seat belts in cars till 1964. I just found that out. Did you know that shit? Alright.
And then on that passenger door there, just above the top corner, that's on both sides and on the front also. The bodywork's not finished there, you just use the grip rails. Not the outside, inside. They started to scrape it out and then they painted it over.
What up, 1G, the baddest motherfucker they could be. Yeah. Look at me, man. I'm in a fucking spacesuit.